What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So just a quick reminder, April 28th, I know I'm telling you guys this every single video. April 28th, hot and personalized, both the two builds are going to be in there. We're going to have merchandise, decals, shirts, everything for you guys at that show. So please come out, show us some love. But for today's video, we got a new little surprise for you guys. We got a new NRG steering wheel for the car. So the old one is a little bunk, it's wearing out, don't need another airbag, so gotta make the car faster. We got a new NRG wheel. So big shout out to Redline 360 for sending one out. So let's get started. Just to show you guys, this is the new beautiful NRG wheel that we got. I'm gonna give a little more race effect, pretty badass. Like it. We got the quick release, or the hub and the quick release right over here. So we're gonna get those installed. So let's get to it. So just letting you know, we've got, in order to remove this wheel, we have to remove, in order to remove the wheel, you have to remove the airbag. So the airbag was, we make sure you disconnect the battery, of course. You don't want this to fly in your face. So there's a prong here and another prong over there. Basically you take a flathead and then push it, or a flathead to a Phillips. Just push it in at an angle and then it will just pop out. After that, you just pull it out and then disconnect the two cables, which are right there. So now we have to remove the sensor, which are going to be those two right there. After that, we're going to remove that 17mm nut, and then we're going to put on the new wheel. In the meantime, while he's doing that, I'm removing the old window tint on the car. It's a pain, it's brittle, so I got all of them done except for the rear window. And as you guys can see, it's just chipping away every little bit, pieces. Like I got the left side, they're right done. The reason why is because if you look at it, it's like a red tint. I hate that. So I'm gonna redo the tint, but I have to take the old one off first. But this one's being a pain to get off. So now we got the 17mm bolt out, and all you gotta do is just pop the wheel off, like whoop, just like that. And now we just gotta put on the hub or something. Yeah, we still gotta figure it out. So we'll be back shortly. So the whole steering wheel was such a fail. I ordered actually two of the quick hub releases. One was a thin one was a regular one. So I wasn't able to install the new wheel today. So I gotta order the new hub. Hopefully I'll get that in soon and we'll be able to get that completed for you guys. But as of right now, we're just removing the tint. Peeling the rear tint is such a pain. So I've been looking at a couple places and they said to put a garbage bag on top. On the inside, spray something with high ammonia, so I did Windex. So I sprayed that down, put a garbage bag, applying a little heat because it's not too hot out today, and trying to see if this trick works. Let me show you. So we got the rear window, we had the garbage bag in, we sprayed Windex. Now we're trying to heat it up, trying to see if we can actually get the tint off. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, should be able to see. I removed a couple of the inner pillars, the ones up there on the left and right, and then the side little trim molding. Remove all the old window tint. This rear window was the most pain to do. So let's see how dark we can make this happen. Good morning, everyone. Yes, it is the next day. Removing the tint took a long time, especially the little bits and pieces that would just flake off. It was really annoying. Got so tired of it, got so fed up with it. But we were able to manage to get every little piece off, cleaned up the rear window, and the windows were nice and clean. So at the same time, I was like, let me just go ahead, tint it. I don't want to pay someone to do the tint. Tinting is not that hard. It's just a lot of time and patience. That's pretty much it. It took me roughly about 2.5 hours to get the entire car tinted, but as you guys can see, the entire car, it is tinted. But let me show you guys. The front window is definitely not tinted because that's not even. But the front window, this is going to be 20% I did, and the rest are going to be 5% limo tint, 5% all the way around. But overall, it came out really well. I'm really happy how it turned out. Looks good. Guys, I do want to give you guys a heads up. For Hot Imports Night, April 28th, I do have a vendor promo card. Basically, it's $5 off entry. So the promo code, it is Royale, R-O-Y-A-L-E. I'm gonna put that right up here. Second is come out and show some love. Let's have some fun. Let's have some, like, we're gonna have decals, we're gonna have shirts, we're gonna have a lot of good stuff for you guys. Let's just enjoy. Let's have a fun time. I know the steering wheel was a big fail, but again, guys, like, I have the hub on order. I'm just waiting for it to come in so that way I can show you how badass this wheel is gonna look. But overall, let me show you how the interior looks. So I'm running the stock bunk steering wheel without an airbag because that was a pain to get off. But overall, give a nice little detail to the car. Looks nice and clean. I do need to switch out the yellow bolts of the LEDs one, but I am digging this. The new Cypher Auto seats and this harness. It looks really good. Really happy how all this turned out. Alright everyone, that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please share, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. And remember guys, live your dreams to the full potential. See you guys.